Have you ever noticed that programming really isn't that hard? It's the constant interruptions that wreck your concentration. A bug here, a Slack notification there, and suddenly nothing gets done. But what if you could do all this and still stay focused at the same time? So in today's video, I'm going to show you how that's possible with Verdent AI. So stick around until the end of the video to see how you really can make programming a lot easier for yourself. Without further ado, let's dive right into today's video. Let's get started. Alright then, folks, as you can see, I'm currently on Verdent's official website. This is what it looks like, and there's a limited time free trial, so you can go ahead and download it for Mac or Windows. I'm going to download it for my Mac, and as you can see here, the features, the prices, we can check all of that, all the different resources they offer. And they also have a community on Discord, X, and Reddit, which is fantastic because not many companies have good community. So I'd really recommend joining one of these to stay up to date with the latest news from Verdent. Now, I'm going to tell you a bit more about what Verdent actually is, and you can see that if I scroll down here, it's clean, fast, and good. So all of this is related to programming. So let me tell you what Verdent is all about. Alright then, folks. As you can see, I've already downloaded Verdent for my MacBook. As you can see, this is what it looks like. You can see the homepage right there. You can select your project or create a new one, and it's actually an excellent programming assistant because it's not complicated. Alright, folks, as you can see, we can just click here and select new project. Then you can pick things from your folders or downloads, whatever you need, and you can just type the commands here. And you can see that you can use different agents, you can follow a plan, and you can see your balance right here. So you can use ChatGPT, you can use Sonnet, you can use Minimax, and you can even add more models yourself. So that's pretty good. And as you can see here in the thinking section, you can set the level to low, medium, high, or maximum, and then you can see all your projects and the tasks you'll have available. As you can see, I currently have 0 tasks, but you can open it. You'll have quick and easy access to this, and this is where you can really go and correct your code errors and fix them with this AI assistant. Alright, lads. Verdent is a native AI coding companion created for real-world software development. It's designed to protect deep focus and creative flow. It handles interruptions, planning, and execution in parallel. So lads, I'd probably say that the best feature of Verdent is the AI agent or agent mode. It's a single input box with no clutter, and you can describe an error to it in plain language. You don't need to learn any complicated term. You can simply describe the error in clear, plain English or in whatever language you're using. So Verdent will plan, execute, and deliver functional results, and you'll get clear summary showing how each piece of code has changed. So if a piece of code has changed, it will give you a clear summary of how and why the code was altered. I think that's quite useful because you don't always know what the problem is, or you can't always spot it yourself, and that quick summary will really help you understand what the issue was, and it will help you and even teach you more about programming. Lads, they've also got a planning mode where you really ought to plan before building anything. So you can start off with a vague or incomplete idea, and then Verdent will help you clarify the scope, what's missing, and any risks involved. It'll turn your ideas into a structured plan and will also execute them for you. And it's a one-click execution once you've reviewed or confirmed the plan. This allows you to run multiple tasks while using Verdent, as it can do more than one thing at a time, and you can even compare different implementations side by side, and each workspace is isolated with its own changes, so you'll be able to merge the best results and discard the rest. Alright, lads. As you can see, I've already checked out the website. You can go and see it for yourself. It's super easy to use, clean, and modern, and if you want to focus on more than one thing and want Verdent to help you on your programming journey, go and check it out. If interruptions while coding drain your energy, give Verdent a try. Open a project, describe what you want to build, and let the AI handle the chaos in parallel. Thank you very much for watching today's video, lad. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell so you don't miss any of the videos we upload. Until next time, cheers!